baby, no, 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 na 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 na. God, why are you so loud? Yeah. Oh my God. Is there something with this chat? What is going on? Ugh. Yo. Why isn't my chat working on my phone? Na 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 na. Oh. Ooh, Maddie. Yeah, I don't know, like I think it's bugged and it doesn't move like. No, I mean I could see it going on right now, but yeah. Give me 1 second. Oh man, I'm feeling it right now. Ooh. What's going on with you, Maddie? How you been? Yo, what's... Oh, the image? Yeah, that was AI generated. And then I literally like put in the text and everything. What's up? What's up, guys? What's going on? Hey, Mad Gun, Maddie, Zelly. Good morning over there. Let's get that coffee ready and let's you know, get this started. I know it's been a while since I streamed. I've been doing other things, you know, keeping myself busy and also working on you know, working to revamp my image on the channel and you know, make it look a little more flashy and more cool. But yeah, what's good with you, Mad Gun? How have you been and how was your weekend? Oh, let's go right there. The usual 5 for those 5 guests, fam, who's in the chat right now. Do myself a favor. Do yourselves a favor and hit that like, por favor. Thank you for joining. Again, I know it's been a little while. Hope everyone is good. Hope everyone is ready for a rocky week as core inflation data is released tomorrow morning at 8:30 in the mañana. And that's wherever time you are all at. It's probably different. I'm in the East Coast, so it's 8:30 in the morning for me, Eastern time. But yeah, I just you know, kind of was like trying to, you know, test out certain things here at this wonderful trading view indicators and all this stuff provided by the one and only Zelly. Thank you. I appreciate you doing that for me. And also, yeah, shout out to everyone here. Barbara, what's going on? You see, when I go to top messages, for some reason that's working. Okay, okay, now I see Barbara. How's it going, Barbara? And any news on GTII? I wanna. For some reason, when I look at the Webull chart for GTII, and on the left side, there's a earnings symbol here, and supposedly GTII is supposed to provide earnings. Provide an earnings report for fourth quarter, and that was actually due today. You know what's funny? It was showing me Saturday, the 10th of February for earnings. I'm like, why would it be on a Saturday? So I'm like, okay. So then now I check today, and then when I scroll over and place the cursor on the E for earnings, it says today. So maybe you can find out. Let's see. Just to be curious to see if there's any Q4. Let me see Q4. Oh, you know what it is? Nah, hold on. Because this is something that they need to like fix, because they get it's just confusing. They literally mistaken GTII for the GTII in Canada for Green Thumb, and that's like a cannabis company over there. So it's like, yeah, it's no idea. But if that's the wrong earnings, if that's the earnings for Green Thumb, then they should have fixed that. But as of right now, Mad Gun, yeah, just what Maddie said too as well, because he goes balls deep into GTII news. Yeah, there's no reports on earnings or anything like that, and no news in general. If I look at press releases, I mean the latest one was pretty much December 18th, so it's been really quiet as of that date. So for now, like, it's all been nothing but time, for us, just sitting back and waiting for something to happen, because I know, as for everyone, they're looking forward to some type of news to come out within now and later. But the whole Trento thing too as well, like, I've been looking forward to that, and nothing yet. We're already in February, so I would love for them to hold off the rips for tomorrow, and hopefully within the rest of this week, even though I'm sure like others don't want to hear that. They probably want to see the rip anyway and just get it over with. Lion, why you been watching where my ball's been? I heard Lion has news. He's gonna show us his Valentine's package. What am I reading? Only you, Maddie. So my Valentine's package is reserved for someone special. So now they're saying possible 2 feet of snow, and all schools are closed, and even in Boston. Yeah, they were saying the same thing here in New York, and like they're really like You know, like they're like out there having a press conference, and the clown, the mayor, and they're just saying like how the storm is gonna be, oh, la, 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 like bad and stuff, and how like they're already like predicting closures for like schools and stuff like that. And if you can't like if you can't travel out, then you don't have to leave. You could just stay home. Like if that's the case, you might as well just like close everything and give us a day off so I can just relax and, you know, watch a movie or have a date, you know, with my one and only. And, you know, just simply just let us have that moment, because I don't think in 3 years we've ever even seen a blizzard as far as I can remember. I don't know if you remember, Barbara, but yeah, I kind of miss seeing blizzards hit the Northeast and just having us, you know, having us all stay indoors and just, you know, enjoying the break. But yeah, you got to be careful out there too, because I don't know how bad it gets there in Boston, or Massachusetts, or any of those areas there in general. But I don't know. I don't know how bad the storm is. I didn't even get to look at the radar or anything like that. Like what if it was just a nothing burger and like they just give us a couple of inches and that's it? Five-foot storms? Maddie, what the hell? Where are you at? In Colorado? Are you up all the way in the Rocky Mountains? We got GTII cost to borrow rate at 13.44%. It's always been a constant like 1,300,000 shares available to borrow throughout the past. 1,400,000. They have this so compressed and shorted. They're really, I don't know, it's just me being theoretical here, but they're like digging themselves a bigger hole. For real. Jay, Pong, welcome back. Good to see you again in the stream. What's going on? How you been? Howdy, partner. Howdy do. Neg. Newegg? Oh my god. You remember when Newegg squeezed to like 60 something from like $1? I might be exaggerating with the price action, but I feel like that's what I think that's where it went. I remember I tried to chase that and then oh my god. But yeah, let's give it a little look real quick. So that's NEGG, that's Newegg. For those who don't know, that's pretty much a website. You know, you can go ahead and you know, try to find parts, PC parts, techs, you know, build your own PCs, computers, laptops, home theater systems and security systems, softwares, all of that. I mean, this it actually had expanded, you know, throughout the years, but I don't know. It was never a retail store. It was online only. But I remember my sister getting stuff from here before, and that PC looks so cool. Holy crap! Not sponsored, by the way. And disclaimer: anything that's being said here is just strictly our opinion, not just mine. Our opinion, as a whole, like in the whole chat, and not financial advice. So just throwing it out there, and the disclaimer is out there in the bottom of the screen. And also the music that you're hearing, it's right on the bottom right corner. That's the name of it on YouTube. So yeah. But this is nice. Look at that. But it's 3K. But it's so worth it. Look, it comes with a 6 terabyte hard drive, 2 terabyte solid state, a Samsung, 64 gig RAM, 6 gigahertz. Holy crap! With the i9 processor. Oof. I'm sorry. I'm gonna bookmark this. It really is. It really is. You get compared to like Micro Center or any other website, this is pretty much like the main website where you can get all of that stuff and even great deals. Again, not trying to sponsor them. Okay, so yeah, but yeah, feel free to check it out. Other than that, we can check out that the stock itself. And wow, on the weekly is looking really good. I mean, look, even the ADX here, the ADX is it's in the green. You got that dark green here. So hey, that's an arrow. Hey, how did I get there? oh, gotcha. Okay, so you got an arrow. I meant to get the brush, but yeah, this is supposed to like go up and fill. I know, I still gotta get used to all this. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. Okay, mommy. Jesus, man, my mom almost tripped over a damn wooden panel. God. I know you guys heard that. Jeez. I can't get a break where I can actually get some peace and quiet. Okay, let me just concentrate. No, Newegg had a Newegg had a retail store in Huntington, Long Island. Oh, I didn't know that. No way. So what happened? Like, is there just like no stores at all available? Just an online store? Cause for real, like I'm looking at this right now. Let me actually show you that run it had back then. I think a few years ago. Was it right here? Yeah, here it is. It was like 76 or something like that. No, 80. Right here, y'all. Check it out. This was this traded at a low of maybe $4. From 3 to 5, it ranged between 3 to 5, 6. Then like around January, look, even like around the time where GME and AMC ripped and squeezed, it had a little pop here, and then it had consolidated between the like $8 and $12. Hit 15 here, dropped dramatically here around this area, this time frame between May 24th of 2021 and June 21st. And then they had a big explosion. I forgot what it was that happened. I think Newegg was listed on the NASDAQ or something like that. Or do you remember, J Pong? Is you still here? God damn, what the hell is that? Jesus Christ, man. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you like it if if the chat hears random laughing on the TV. No, I like Micro Center. I'm just saying, like, in terms of like variety and like what Newegg has, it's I mean, give or take, it's the same, but I think Newegg has more variety and you get more deals. But regardless, like, just looking at the last run it had at that point, dude, it was massive. 'Cause you're talking about $9 and then going all the way to like 81. Let me see, was it 81? No, it was a high of $79 before it started crushing back down to like 28-ish. And then it just got shorted to hell from that point for the next 2 years and a half till now. And now we're at 92 cents. And we finally found an area where we had bounced here, the all-time lows at 50 cents. Higher highs. And let's see, I'm just here trying to zoom in at this. This is, hold on, there you go. I was trying to adjust this. I needed to adjust this because it's like oversized. But oh, listen, Jay, this is already starting to pick up, and even the trend, even the moving averages, the EMAs, they're looking pretty strong, and it's like it's about to push this even more higher. So you're actually right on that, like 108 to 112 zone. It could be the resistance for sure. I mean, you got the 200 EMA at 120, so we can put that as like the resistance, and then I'm guessing this is like support here because it had consolidated here for a while, so yeah, maybe we could put that there. And let's be like, I don't know, yellow. Wait, let me just switch to all chat. Am I missing messages? Okay. So wait, so Maddie, you like Micro Center more than Newegg, or you like Newegg? I mean, have you even used Newegg before? You know what, I think it's really possible. Knowing the fact that like this thing has been shorted to hell, and also like theoretically like this is one of the stocks that's in the basket of stocks that have been heavily shorted, and you know, by hedgies and all the list of names that you can think of. I'm pretty sure like it will definitely have its moment where it can run, like it can run hard. So if it breaks easy over 120, 150, no problem. Like we can definitely try to, you know, get this thing to $2 and get yourself a nice swing, you know, hypothetically speaking, not financial advice. But yeah, I like this daily. I like the moving averages. Also, let me see. Let's see. I would like to say that maybe this could be the supply zone for now, and then this would have to be like wherever those two lines are, like that would be like the resistance, the supply zone. Why does it do that? They keep it like that. Let me see. With boards around. Zelly line kinky with boards around. Just saying. Just coffee, Maddie, I have no idea. You get to scroll through and look at the like deals and chips and stuff. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can make your own combinations and stuff too. I've been to Micro Center a few times and also went through their website. You can literally get deals over like your own DIY combos, and it's pretty cool. Oh, show some love, guys. Show some love. Hit that like button. And if you haven't, please subscribe. Por favor. Because it really helps me a lot. Just like they always say, right? I really like just doing this to chill and to talk with you guys. But I like this. I like the fact that we're sharing this type of information. Because I feel like Newegg is still pretty strong in that field, you know, like when it comes to like computers, text, and all that stuff. It's pretty good. It's pretty cool. If you know, let's say if this was the case too, let's look at some eggs. Does it still have options? Yes, it does. It still has options. And for some reason, the dollar strike call for February 16 is up 100%. Interesting. That is. Don't know if they are therefore whacking with bondage and imprisoning victims. Oh my God. What are you talking about, Maddie? Stop it. I'd say like, because there is some volume coming into these calls. Especially, you know, the monthlies here. You got the dollar strike here for March 15. Let's check out. Let me see, March 28. No open interest there. May 17, there is some open interest there too. But the spread is kind of whack. You got the ask at 35 cents per contract, and then you got the bid at 10 cents. So I feel like it definitely needs more volume. But for some reason, like, the delta looks fire. Even the delta here at 50 cents. Like, you get in at 50 cents, 50 cent strike, you could still make out with a good amount if, you know, if Newegg continues to break over and pass $1.15. You're like playing low risk when you do that, especially like when you're like a couple of months out, which it's considered as a leap. And you do that, it works out in many ways. Let me see. What's the January 17th of next year? See, you got some volume there too. But the spread is whack though. But if you wanted to play it safely, you know, and just do shares, you could, you know, you do that too, just like Jay says. So that's a good strat. Good call for that. Anyways, that's not financial advice. I'm just showing the chains for this. But in fact, that if this does start to do something crazy, then like by all means. Oh, here's something that came out January 25th. It says Newegg debuts Newegg refreshed program to offer quality resale products at lower prices. So that, hey, I mean that's actually pretty cool. Just wait until this loads up. Okay, so okay. Newegg refreshed represents some of the consumers' best options to buy in-demand refurbished tech and PC products at competitive prices. The program also enables customers to trade in unwanted PC hardware as refurbishment and resale continues to grow in popularity through retail. Newegg is embracing this phenomenon with a wide assortment of quality repurposed products. Customers can find Newegg refreshed products on Newegg.com, the Newegg app, and when accessing product pages with the Newegg refreshed description. I'm gonna read into it, but it sounds good so far. Maddie needs a straight jacket. He's too loco. He's too loco. I don't like to look at that though. But the fact of the matter is that this looks like a really nice setup. So it just needs to like, I mean, like if it looks for a pullback, you know, like the RSI is already like overbought. It could pull back, but it has to stay within that range and that supply zone. Oh no, the band zone. So from like 91 to like 80 cents, around that range. If it continues, hey, more power to them. More power to them. But yeah, just be careful. Like bearish wise, like it could fall back to like 80 cents. If you want to like dollar cost average or like buy the dip and stuff like that, that's another idea too. Just an idea, you know, not to say to buy, sell, do anything of stuff. That's your decision, not financial advice. But anyways, yeah, that's your little hypothetical TA for Newegg. Let's check it out. Yeah. Here it goes too. Let me see the 15. Oh, the 15. It's gotta go something like this. It's gotta like do a little bouncy, maybe like that. Cause you got the 50-day right here, 50-day EMA. So I just need a little bounce-a-rooney there off of 90 cents. If it pulls back, it's okay, cause you know I could just like do that. Yeah, there you go. All right, so let's go to GTII real quick. See what's up with this. Is this green thumb again? Oh my god. Alright, so what we can figure out with GTII, let's get to the bottom of this real quick. And yeah, let's just let's all hypothesize together. Oh god. All right, so let's go to the daily. Now it has been quite an interesting way how GTI has been trading so far. If you can tell too, I mean it's been largely like on the sell side, you know, for a long time. But as you can see, like from the past month and change, maybe. Let me see. So it's January 9th. Alright, so it's been almost a month since we found the bottom the first time, and for some reason we thought overall that we would see like a cup and handle of some sort, and then try to like break out from here and try to retest 32 cents and break over that and go to like 35, 40. Matt K in the house. Matt K. Absolutely. This is why like, you know, we need to have him on check. He takes his meds and he won't be on unfiltered mode. He will be a gentleman. I need his professionalism. Right, Maddie? How you been, brother? How you been, Matt? Matt K. It's like two Matts. So pretty much like, you know, that was the hypothetical TA that I had for GTII here. And for some reason this, you know, they decided to secure the bag at the top here at 32 cents, and we created lower highs and then just consolidated here. Find ourselves at another bottom again, like this, like last time. So I would think that this would for sure try to another attempt at breaking over 22 cents, and try for like 28 cents, you know. This is the trend here. This is pretty much a double bottom pattern. I know you guys can actually see it there. There you go. That little George W. So if this is the case and we're seeing some bullish momentum take place, then I would say that this is indeed a good time to also accumulate, load, average down, wherever you need to do to get more bang for your buck, NFA, and so you guys could be in a better position, in my opinion. My financial advice again. Yeah, that's my take on it, because as you can see here on the MACD as well, we have a green bar. For some reason this traded at like 205,000 shares today, but more on the green side. We did close just 3.70% on the day, so hopefully this is an indicator for more confirmation of more green to the upside. So yeah, it's back to those lows again, Jay. And even the RSI is like pretty much like holding over that 14 moving average. Where is this at? Let me see. Hold on. Oh, the SMA, the 14 SMA. So it's over the 14 SMA. It's bounced a couple of times. So it definitely looks like the bottom for sure. Let it be known, it could definitely be that double bottom, and we can start retesting those levels past 25, past 28, heck, even 30 cents again. You know, get yourself another little tasty swing. Hold on. You can see here, even the ADX is like dark red, so it's losing selling pressure, while the RSI is actually picking up, and also the MACD. So this could be promising for sure. Even though, yeah, we did come from a long period of selling, shorting, nakeds, you know, anything you could think of, like, that's caused this to you know, come from 9, almost $10, all the way down to where we are now at 21 cents. So it's just a matter of, you know, like I said, and there's not much that I can really say about GTI right now, because there's no news. It's just been quiet. It's been like crickets, and all that, you know, what I'm saying is, like, all the shareholders that they can do right now is just hold and not really like get desperate and think like the worst is gonna happen, because obviously holding is the key to making the shorts crap their pants. And yeah, having to bring an extra diaper for the day when they go to work Man, these green tea Kit Kats they smack so good. Oh my god. It's like literally melting off my fingers. But I like this though. I like this though because it kind of reminds me of this point over here. Every time we consolidated for a while, there would always be some type of pop. So right here, like we're seeing the same thing where it's been literally interesting. Oh, I can make bubbles. Just focusing on this area here where it consolidated the most. Found the bottom twice. And now we're attempting to bounce right back over, which makes sense. So we just all GTII needs is just more volume, more buying pressure. If any institutions are like, liking what they're seeing and they think the price is attractive, then they'll go for it. And you see massive buys come in. And if we get a press release, if we get a news, and it's bullish as hell, obviously there's gonna be some type of big reaction to it. Bubbles. Right, Zelly? Barbara says, I told them no. My son and his friends are now all grown men. I took care of their sorry butts from kindergarten through high school. I'm so done double bolting the doors. I need my privacy. I need to have some fun. But is anyone buying the dip? Not financial advice. Just like Zelly says. I believe that people are indeed, in my own opinion, my own strict opinion, that they are buying the dip. It's not really making much of a difference though, other than the fact that, yeah, there is still money coming into GTII. But majority are holding. And in fact, I'm pretty sure retail owns pretty much like 99% of the flow. This is like another AMC case scenario, just without the popcorn. And just without the attention from mainstream media, if you would say that's the case. Maybe you guys can agree with me. But if, like I said the other time, I think I mentioned this, if this stock had gained the traction that GameStop did back in 2020 into January 2021, then we could possibly be looking at a GME 2.0, if not twice as much. Yep, Maddie just said it. Retail owns three times the float. 3 times the freaking float. Okay. So while retail is running out of money because everything's so freaking expensive nowadays, and people are struggling out there, at the same time, shorts are also struggling, and they're losing money fast, trying to short the hell out of this stock. And that also goes for many other like baskets full of stocks, heavily shorted, manipulated, and all you can think of, allegedly, supposedly, in my opinion. And it's just a matter of time, because what does everybody need for this to happen? A possible market crash. Brokers to collapse, brokers to soil themselves in their pants, and you're like, oh my god, like, margin called. What was I thinking? Yeah. Lion put all his money into Zully. I'm the sugar daddy. Oh my god. If I put money to Zully, that is because of one thing. But I'm putting it into my Lion Empire. Did you know that, Maddie? So it's not only just that. And I am looking for an empress for my empire to be with this Lion Emperor and do great things. Oh my god. I see some pressure building on GTII as of like 2 weeks ago. There is bullish hidden divergence in it, says J-Pong. Looking at the 12-hour chart. Where's the 12-hour? Can I actually do that? Let me see. Oh shoot. Wow, I didn't know I could do that. Sugar daddy. How'd that sound? Ugh, you get me so hot, Lion. Oh my god. Oh yeah. You want this sugar daddy? Yeah, you better come get it. Oh, I use Thinkorswim too. That's the one I always use too. But for some reason, I'm just here like using Trading View. I'm just seeing like how it is and the indicators here. I mean, I don't know. Like, what do you prefer, Jay? You prefer Thinkorswim or you prefer Trading View? But I like how you can actually customize this. So this is pretty cool. Put some bubbles in it. I can put bubbles here. That's interesting. Let's see. Let me just. When you see this, Zali, these are the time frames you should be looking at. It's all in stars. Yeah. Well, the only good thing about it is that you get to use a lot of studies, a lot of indicators. You even have like a section that teaches you all of these things and like patterns and. Oh my god, like it's really helpful, And plus, on top of that, it's free. Like, you don't really have to pay for that stuff. And then there's somebody that actually does scripts, like coding, to make their own studies, their own like pattern, like the indicators and stuff. But I gotta admit, there's some things that TradingView has that Thinkorswim doesn't, and it's the fact that you can be able to like there's just so much more customizations. There's like you could do shading and all that stuff. And I tried to do ADX on Thinkorswim, and it just, I didn't know how to even like make it like this, and pretty much like put all the colors and the shades. I hope I don't get copyright striked with ya me. Yeehaw. Okay. Is it raining outside, or is just the music is still okay? Let's see. Okay, so since we got that settled, and I feel like, man, even the hourly, I'm not gonna lie, but the hourly looks good too. It's trying to break over the 50-day EMA at 21.81. Had to break over 22 cents. Got that last resistance at 24 cents here. So I guess like by tomorrow or Wednesday, we need 24 cents. If not, it's just gonna stay consolidating between 20 and 22 cents. But we need 24. We need to claim that. I still have my house rules and don't mess with the mother bear, is they're saying when referring to me. Oof. Okay, Barbara. Mama bear's gonna pounce whoever messes with her. That's what she's saying. Maddie, don't mess with her. She's giving you a fair warning. She doesn't want to put her paws on you. Oh, Maddie says he wants $24 on GTII. That could be easily done, you know, if the right things were to happen. I'm sure it's really possible, because like if this hit like 8 and change, almost $9 easy in like 2 days, without you know having these idiots like shorted and everything, then I'm pretty sure like we would have had a blast with GTII and have like a AMC or GME like squeeze. But other than that, man, even the 4 hour looks cool. The MACD is turning green. RSI is eventually going to turn around, and the ADX is bright green right now. So yeah. So with that conclusion, that is what we're looking for. It's what we're looking at with GTII. So yeah, just keep in mind of that. You know, have that as reference. 24 cents, $24 actually. Yeah. Sup, bruh? Do you think Travis Kelce could collab with Earl Turlet? Hey, Maddie, can you like answer that question? See if you get it. What's up, Moisley? How's everything? How you doing? Let's check out Finger real quick. Apparently William said that Finger was down. GTII, of course it's down. Can you believe though, like Finger's doing the same thing. It's been staying above $2. Even over $2.10 for a while. Just almost like let's see, the 15. So this is almost a month from this point. So wait, let me get the rectangle here. So pretty much like all this here. Let me change this color. I need this to be like a light green. Yeah, so pretty much in this range, finger had been you know, just bouncing up and down, like from like 215, 210 to 230. I could bring this up a little bit more like that. And just like GTII has been consolidating, and it's also been looking like a double bottom too. Same thing that happened with GTII. You got the possible double bottom taking place. I would not be surprised if, you know, finger does follow GTII in that sense. It's happened before, and I think it'll happen again, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Immortal GTII in the house. What's going on? And they got 10 people in the chat. Thank you for coming by. You know, feel free to say what's up. Feel free to join in on the chat. Don't be afraid. Don't be shy. We're all about good vibes and sharing information with each other, sharing stories, you know, when it comes to these tickers here. And don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Good to see you, Immortal. How's everything on your part, on your behalf with GTII? J Pong says, in my opinion, GTII will pop within the next 1 to 8 weeks. He's given that time frame. Damn, man. I don't know about 8 weeks, but I mean, I can deal with 2 weeks, because that will give me more opportunities to get into this price range here and such deep discounts. So I don't mind, Jay. I don't mind at all. We're just gonna bring it on, and they're just gonna have to deal with it. Let's check the cost to borrow real quick. Let's see. Wow, so it's been 15% cost to borrow for a while, and actually we have the amount of shares available to borrow from 400,000 at 6:45 in the morning today to 20,000, and now up 40,000 shares available to borrow at 15.21% cost to borrow fee. Very nice. Has it been going down or up? Okay, it's been higher than that before, but this could be good. You know, they're you know, less and less shares available to borrow, and it's staying steady at 15%. What do you guys think about finger? Immortal GTII finger. Moistly Towler, I haven't seen this much hype around GTII since Arca agreed he'd like an extra toe instead of more GTII shares. Did he really say that, Moistly? If you're still here? Oh my god. He'd like an extra toe? Oh my goodness. That's gross. It may not even need to go that low, but that's the lowest I see them being able to bring it down to. Yeah, that also goes for finger too, because the lowest that they can bring that to is like $2, and I kept mentioning that in my previous streams too, that the major support level would be at $2. $2 would be that level. And we've been respecting it, and we've been staying above it, and we've been in this consolidation period for a while, for almost a month. So this tells you a lot, you know. Usually that's a good thing, you know, if we stay consolidating for that long, and you see all the, you know, the estimated moving averages. You got the 13, the 48, and you have the 9 displaced EMA going over the 13. and so forth, and we just need to see this cross over the 50. I mean, no, that's the 48. My bad. That's the 48 EMA. Yeah, I don't know what the hell is going on upstairs. Like, for real. They do not want to see me come upstairs and tell them something, because I would tell them something. All right, Barbara. You stay safe tomorrow, and you don't have to go outside. You know, if it's not necessary. If the storm gets that bad out there, then you know what to do. So yeah, just stay safe out there, and you have a wonderful night and a good sleep. And we'll definitely talk to you next time. Buenas noches. Let's see, we got this resistance at, well, this was support before. Was it at 260? And then you have this level over here at 277. I want to say 280. So between 260 and 280, if this rips over the 48 EMA, we can test that. We can test over 250 to 260. We need those levels to break. I believe GTII and Finger can do it. They can do it. Alright, so what else is new? What else is going on right now? What is the latest? Are you guys still in that ZJYL? Are you also in that AMC, that GME? What is the update? I see ZJYL is trying to make some moves. We're in almost at the close of market day. It stayed well then, I think alright, so apparently here in the 4-hour chart it has been consolidating a bit in this range since Friday, and it looks to me that it's actually, oh, that's a doji, so it's kind of like neutral right now. But even the MACD is picking up too as well. I mean, we had that long dip from like, what is that, 50 way down here, then dropped again all the way down to like $5.58. Let's see, let's go to the hour. Alright, so I guess someone is buying up at these levels. 831 was the close. Very interesting. Even the ADX is bright green. Bright green. You joined the ZJYL bandwagon? Damn. Can't believe it. Can't believe you actually did it. I set up a deal for them once. I did. I have a gold mine deal for accredited investors that I can build a small group of retail to invest in after Logic and CAUD and RCRT in a week or two. I expect news on them. Oh, shoot. Oh, baby. Damn, what the hell? Yeah, this looks like a lot of buying happening here. Let me look at the chart here on Webull. I gotta see the time and sales. What's the time and sales looking like? Got one for like almost 1,800 there. Shoot. Yeah, I think this is gonna break out for sure. This is the 5-minute. We got a golden cross here too. Wow. You could be lucky at that point, you know, because like you got in at when you average down a little bit. So, Maddie, question, because I know you've been hearing about ZJYL for a while. Where do you see this going? Post forward split. Is this considered the bottom for you, in your opinion? Higher, higher, lower. You got this already, like crossing below, consolidating, bounced off the support here. 645. Now it's back to 832. Could this hit $9 by pre-market to market opening? Maybe. I said cojones, but I won't say balls. That's silly. Let's see. I'll tell you right now, because yesterday Robinhood had put ZJYL. Oh, whoa! What is this? Okay, all of a sudden, well, I don't know how I said it like that. All of a sudden, I'm seeing on my Robinhood, which is funny to me because yesterday they had put ZJYL on the 24-hour market, and you were able to trade it as extended hours and at a certain limit price and whatever. But now I don't see that. It just looks like it just regularly closed on after hours. It's no 24-hour market. Something happened. All I heard is same as you, which would be 1,500 post split. That is insane. I mean, like, what are the possibilities of that happening though? Like, couldn't they have just done that before? Like, that thing was like 300 and change, or was it like 500? See, I wouldn't even know. Alright, so also, this is about AMC. So apparently, let me see. Wow. Okay, so either they close the 24-hour market for Robinhood, because I don't even see AMC trade on the 24-hour market either. Maybe if I look at let me look at SoFi Technologies. No, what the hell? Yeah, I think they stopped. Oh no, well, except for indices. So for the SPY is actually trading overnight, and it's actually down 0.11%. So SPY actually managed to drop from 503.41 all the way back down to 500, which is insane. Like, that would have been such a great call, put, play right there for the SPY if you were doing ODT, 0 date to expiration. Oh my goodness. But anyways, yeah. 1500 for CGY. 1500. What would it take? What would it take for that to happen? You know how far 1500 is from this? Like, I can't even chart it because they'll make this chart look mini, like microscopic. Like 1500 is like all the way up here. It's not existent. That is insane. Oh, okay. Well, oh, wait. Whiskey? Whiskey? Is that whiskey? Hold on. Okay, give me 1 second. I need to... Hold on. I need to... Okay, there you go. I remember seeing that. Yeah, why I said... Wait, I said whiskey. I'm here thinking about whiskey. It's Wise Key International Holdings. Wow. Even the daily looks good too. Dude, this is really good. It had just literally been in that long consolidation period here for since I want to say since the beginning of October of last year. So from here at this point all the way to here, and so till January 8th, and then after that it started to make new higher was that lower highs, and now we have some sort of like a cup and handle. This is, you see, this is a cup and handle right here. This is a cup and handle. Perfect textbook cup and handle right there. And then I'm supposed to get like a breakout afterwards. I need to know about these scanners though, because like, I kid you not, like some of these people will be having real like luck with those scanners. What's he? I kept begging him for it, but he keeps telling me no. Why does he keep telling you no? Like, did he make it? Why is he being stingy? Like, why can't he just share the wealth? That's being stingy. Can't be stingy to your buddy, you know? Can't be stingy to J-Pong. Everybody should be succeeding. Even I want to know about this scanner. But yeah, look, you even got the ADX strong in the green, and you got a nice bounce off here, off the 14 SMA. RSI is climbing back over, so this is even a good play too. Yeah, there's someone that actually knows how to make it. I just don't know like what the name is, but I know there's someone on YouTube that actually shows you how to make these scanners on Thinkorswim. I think you really gotta like find you gotta look him up. Oh shoot! So Wise Key, I keep calling it whiskey. Wise Key does not have it doesn't have options. I could have sworn it does because I've seen that ticker symbol for such a long time. But I like the way it looks though. Like overall, I like the way it looks. It's a nice setup, especially that cup and handle. So if you got it in a good amount, if you got it at this consolidation period, oh, you good. Like you Gucci. You could literally swing this, and you can do this as a long term as well. Yeah, that's what I never got. Like I just don't understand the logic. I mean, like it's like, dude, like, it's not like you're gonna get into all of these plays yourself and at once and win $1 million in these tradings, you know? Like, that takes a lot of skill to even like try to execute plays like that with a scanner and making sure you're in the right one, and then just like go through your technicals and all that. But like, yeah, you know, sometimes you just gotta do your own, you know, research, do your own DD. You gotta learn how to do the scripts, learn how to build that scanner, and screw it. Like, you don't need them. If you know how to do it, by all means. You just be like, hey buddy, so like, yeah, I got my own scanner, bro. Like, and yeah, I don't need you anymore. I'm good. Yeah, and you know, you pretty messed up for that. So yeah, I'm not. Yeah, dude. Let's see. This has gone up from where? From $8 back here, May 23rd of last year. But I like this because we have all the EMA, the 1348, the 9 displaced EMA. They're all curling back to cross over the 200 estimated moving average. So that is, so you know, like for like the other stock I showed you, looking like a similar setup, and all those EMAs like crossing over the 200. So this is good too. This is good. Potential swing right there. What do we have here? What do we have? Some low flow ideas. So you got Wise Key, San. Is that Sanat? San. I've seen that too. I think that's like some kind of therapeutics stock or pharma. Let me see. Biotherapeutics. Okay, Sonnet. Oh my god. Sheesh. Hold on, wait a minute. If you got this yourself, Jay, like, I'm telling you, you don't need a scanner. You don't even need this dude. Wow, it looks like it did a nice pop here today. We had this open at 150, and this climbed up to 183 with a low of 136 and closed at 170. Wow, let's look at the 4-hour. Yeah, beautiful way, the way that this all just transpired and crossed over the 48. Had a nice bounce here at the same time with the 9-day displaced EMA and the 13 EMA. Now it's like shooting up. It could possibly pull back, or it can continue to try to retest 180. Does this have options? I always need to make sure it has options or not. And it actually doesn't have options either. I wonder if it's because of the fact that it's a low float, and that's why they don't do options. And it's in the NASDAQ too. Oh, it's been an hour and 19 minutes already. Holy crap. Look at BMR. I was looking at these stocks from the low. What is this? What? This thing was up 371.56% on the day. Beamer Imaging. You're buying GTII calls. Oh, good lord. Ooh, look at that setup. Nice run here. Reached the peak, then started selling off. 9-day displaced EMA, turning back around. Now it needs to cool off. Perhaps this could be the little perhaps this could be the level of support right here at 9.50 to $10. Oh shoot. This could be a nice breakout and just go like Beamer. Wait, did I look that up too? No, I didn't. Does Beamer have options? No, it doesn't. Another one that doesn't have options. Damn. All right, well, this the 5 minute. On the 5 minute. Oh, this actually went up after hours 33%. So it literally went over 400% today, including after hours. So it closed at 13.24, even though the main close for the market was 9.95. No, that's crazy. So that means if you got in, I mean, damn, it would have been nice to get in at $2. But if you got in like at this point, around like $8.70, $9, $9.20. That's a nice swing too as well from there to like 13 something. What else? What's the other ticker? Oh, I didn't see a TIRX. Hold on, TIRX. Oh, it's a Hong Kong stock. Is that what this is? Oh, the hell, who this shit? This is the stock from Hong Kong. Yes. What the hell? Like somebody. Yeah, that's a nice breakout here too. Nice breakout here. Hmm. 68 would be the retest levels of resistance. 68 to like 72. If it pulls back, it'll be back to like 52 to 54 ish. Most cases, 50 cent being the major support level there too for this. For TIRX. And then we got EXO. Oh, this is a nice setup here. Nice 1, 2, and a breakout. Double bottom breakout. Back to 240. Maybe 240 maybe. Does EXO have options? Let's check. Let's check it out right now. Give it to me. Give it to me. Yes. Just like that. It has options, but I wish. Damn. I see there's some volume there. There's some volume there on the options chain for EXO. Not so much though. How you played options on this, Jay? And what's going on with everybody else? What's what are y'all up to right now? There's a quiet in the chat. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Hey. EXO SSY and AMST SSY. Sunlink. What is this all about? Sunlink. This is Amex. This is a short. It's a long market cap here. Chimini was put in the corner. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Does Zelly put you in the corner? Poor thing. Tell you not to behave bad. Saying things like that. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Huh? 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 Alright. Okay, yes. So it doesn't have a. It says why. Solid Lake Health Systems. Check the daily. It's got a nice bounce off of like 50 cents and change. Closed at 90 cents, which is a nice swing there, nice gain. It has hit 50 cents once before, around 53 cents back on the end of December, close to New Year's. Ever since it had been shorted. Okay, it had been shorted a lot. It's been in the oof. Okay, wait, wow. So this is $7.62 on the high there. Oh, these are health services. Okay. Okay, gotcha. This could hold up pretty well too. Yeah. The EMAs are all tight together. And then last but not least, AMST. Amosite Technology Services, Package Software. Amosite. Okay. Weekly. Let's check the weekly. Weekly is bright green on the ADX. Looks like it's found looks like it also found somewhat of a consolidation period here. Not as much, but it looks like it could begin and probably try to break out over. The retest at $3 seems a little far, and Amosite does have earnings Wednesday, the 28th of February. And yeah, that's cool. So Jay, thank you for sharing those tickers. All these worth keeping on the watch list, in my opinion. You got it. I even took a screenshot, so that way I can go back and then I could put it in a separate watch list on my Webull, and just track them down and see if one of them catches my attention. Especially WiseKey. WiseKey caught my attention for sure. So I think that's definitely one to look after. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let's see what's going on with AMC. AMC with a nice reversal here on the weekly. Still red on the I keep calling it the RSI. It's not. Look, you even have the RSI is way in the bottom. It looks like it wants to break over that 14 simplified moving average, which would look awesome. It would be great for AMC to do that, and then try to reach $5. Yeah, $5, but from 5 to 540 would be the forecasted move before this week is over. If AMC is indeed like heating up, price action has been pretty cool as of now, for the past 2 weeks. mostly in the green, which is, yeah, it's awesome to see, because he got such a nice reversal. It's like rebounding, and it's just wow. And you have the 9. Oh, J-Pong, I appreciate you. Thank you for joining me again in the stream, and thanks for sharing. Thanks for having your presence known here. You're always welcome here. I thank you for showing some love, and yeah, man, you take care of yourself and you have a great night, good sleep, and yeah, man, those plays that you got going on right now, I'd say they're pretty decent. So yeah, thanks for stopping by, and thank you. We'll definitely talk more later, for sure. But yeah, AMC with a nice reversal too. Look at that. This place was at a simplified moving average, the 14. Nice little reversal too, man. This looks nice. This trend is looking real good, Zelly. If you're looking at AMC, it's looking real good. Oh, I'm gonna lie, this is looking real nice. Oh my god. Wow. I love it. I love to see it just like that. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. We just need to break this 480. 480 is the last resistance. So 5 is that hard resistance there, and you just need to break over that. We got the was that the 48 estimated moving average at 547, so we need to break over that before this week is over. That's one. That is what I'm seeing here. Even the ADX has turned from dark red to dark green, so it's gonna eventually come out as a bright green soon if it continues this momentum to the upside. AMC will in fact see 550. Heck, if it goes even wild, we could even see 6 before this week is over. Knock on wood, not financial advice, it's just my opinion. So yeah, let's see what happens. Alright. And we'll just go over GME and see what's happening there. That looks good too. RSI, MACD flip to the green. Have a nice bounce off the RSI, and the ADX is on dark green. Well, it's trying to turn bright green, just like AMC. So it's it's like kind of like it's like following the same algo in a way. It just needs to start curling back up and breaking over those levels of resistance. So $15, and then you have damn, this is actually oof. Well, let me look at the hourly. Ooh. Okay. When I see candles like this scares me sometimes, because that makes it seem like they're trying to like do it again and try to drop, they try to drop GME again back down to like 1420, well 1450, because the trend, the 13 wants to curl right back down, and then yeah. But I mean, regardless, it is exciting on the long term. Whoever held this long should be lucky, that they have held and they've had, their positions well, properly hedged, and dollar cost averaged, or maybe, you know, lowered their average cost too. So that's pretty cool. Wow, my voice is getting froggy. I think it's about that time. Yeah, I think it's about that time. I'm about to like hit the hay. You know what I mean? Should we call it? I think we should call it. I think we should definitely call it right now. Let me see what Bitcoin is doing real quick. Ooh, it's peaking. It's on the hourly right here, the hour chart for Bitcoin. It actually peaked out. Very interesting. So can we actually see? Okay. Ay. Can we like see this go back down like this? That's a 47,500 by tomorrow. Yeah, we can definitely see that happening. Let's move a little closer here and see what's happening here. Yeah, it's all turning bearish. Look, even the ADX is peaked out. The MACD is about to cross under and flip to the red, and the RSI too as well. It's been overbought. So let's say, if I can give my opinion on this, if Bitcoin indeed drops from here as the peak, then we would see 47,900 as the next level of support, and then you have this line here. So you might as well just take this and put that as the next level at 46,900. So if that happens, then we would have to look out for Mara, because it does follow and track Bitcoin all the time. So let's say if it tracks down, let's say Bitcoin falls back to like 45,000. You best believe that Mara is gonna follow, and it's gonna end up coming down back to like $23. And then you have another gap here. If you notice, this is on the hourly. You have a gap here missing. So we can draw like a rectangle here. Show you exactly what I'm talking about. So it'll be like somewhere around here. So this is around like the $22 area to $22.50. So from $22 to like $23 here, as the potential demand zone, or major area of support. In my opinion, that would definitely happen if Bitcoin decides to start selling off at this rate. You're looking at the 5 minute for Bitcoin. You can see it has all this pumped. Now it'll be actually pretty crazy if it actually loses all those gains that it did today, from pretty much from like 47,900 all the way to like 50,300, 50,400. So we're just looking forward to this, and if we can't forget, we have CPI data. And if you see this folder right here, you see this folder in red, that means that there's a high impact expected. So that cannot be good, honestly. If you see red folders here, it's flaming hot. The actual forecast, they're saying the same thing on month to month for core CPI at 0.3%, for core inflation. Previous. If it's lower, then that's bad. year to year. 2.9% is the forecast. Previously it was 3.4. I think it has to be a lot higher than that in order to see a lot more downside. I don't know, but yeah, there's that. And then there's core retail sales month to month, Empire State Manufacturing Index, retail sales, unemployment claims, core PPI is Friday the 16th at 8:30 a.m. and PPI month to month. Building permits, wow, building permits, sheesh. You have Bostic speaking. Bar speaks tomorrow, actually at 4 p.m. See what the hell he's gonna say. Is Ham calling in? No, I don't have his number. Then again, I kind of leave that to Ace for him to handle his calls. I'm just more technical. But yeah, just expect these events to happen, tomorrow 8:30 in the morning Eastern time, because this could definitely have an impact also, even for Bitcoin. So if we look at Bitcoin, if we look at SPY too, this definitely has potential. I mean, I was actually surprised what it did, because it literally broke over this green line here at 500 and 120, and it literally became bullish to the point where here it just did like a double top. This is the 5 minute, by the way. It did just a double top perfectly and decided to sell off. Lower lows, lower lows, lower highs, low. Yeah. I'm not starting over, but I'm gonna start over in my bed, because I'm actually feeling a little sleepy. So I'm actually gonna cut this live stream short. And I mean, it doesn't even feel short anymore, because now it's like almost going on 2 hours. So yeah, I'm just gonna call it a night. So for those of you that joined in, I wish you guys can actually contribute and talk on chat. I see y'all there. But I appreciate you sitting there and listening in, showing some love, and just hanging with us and vibing. So if anything, just show some love, hit that like, that subscribe. And if you like the music too as well, the music is linked on the chat too as well. And yeah, so just just let me know in the comment section below too what you think. I like some constructive criticism. If there's anything that I should do to make this better, let me know. But anyways, don't know what you're doing in your bed. You can imagine that. I do a lot of things in my bed. But anyways, I'm out. Good to see you, Matt. And good to see everybody else who participated in the chat, like Matt K, you, Matt, Maddie, J Pong, Barbara, Mad Gun, Moisley, Immortal, GTII, and I think that's it. But we'd love to see more people come in and join in on the in the conversation. But yeah, by all means though, y'all take it easy, and it's good to see all of you again, and just just be properly hedged. Y'all play it safe. Always have patience, be disciplined on what you do in your trades, and stay positive vibes to everyone. Much love again, and most importantly, and most definitely, the one and only Zali. Thank you for everything that you do, and for being the backbone for being the backbone to this stream, and posting my link, and yeah, it's very appreciating, and much love to you. Big hearts. Means a lot to me. I mean, Maddie, don't be jealous, because I love you too. But anyways, thank you for joining. We'll see you in the next stream. Y'all have a good night, good morning, afternoon, wherever you are. And take it easy. I'll see you in the next. Yours truly, LionofAllTradez. Again, the stream, anything that was being said here on the stream is strictly my opinion, not financial advice. You're your own decision maker of your own money, as long as you play it safe and you don't get caught out in the bag. Have a good night, y'all. Take care. Peace out. Give me some sugar. Give me some love. Give me some hearts. Give me some hearts. Show me some hearts. Spray them hearts all over the screen, just like that. Faster, faster. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh yeah, I love it, just like that. All right, good night, y'all.